Hello everyone, this is BOXPUT. Today we would like to share some differences, functions, remote control air mouse. They are BPR1S Series remote control, BPR2S Series remote control, and the BPR3S Series remote control. For the BPR1 Series remote control, this including the BPR1, BPR1S, BPR1S Plus, and the BPR2S series remote control have the BPR2S and the BPR2S Plus. And the last BPR3S series remote control have the BPR3S and the BPR3S Plus. So let me show you some features of this remote control and what are the differences. Number one, Bluetooth connection. All the three different series remote control air mouse, they all connected by the Bluetooth. So this remote control can use on all the devices that support the Bluetooth. You just need to open the setting of the Bluetooth and find this air mouse and connect it. It will be okay. Number two, 2.4G wireless connection. Except the Bluetooth connection, the Plus version like the BPR1S Plus and the BPR2S Plus, also the BPR3S Plus. They also support dual connection. Not only you can connect it by the Bluetooth, and you also can connect it by the 2.4G wireless receiver. So it supports dual mode for you to connect it. Number three, gyroscope. Except for the BPR1 air mouse remote control, all the other models support the gyroscope, and we have the 6-axis gyroscope, so you can easily use the gyroscope function on your devices. Number four, voice control function. Except the BPR1 air mouse remote control, all the other models support the voice control function, and the BPR3S, BPR2S, and the BPR1S air mouse remote control support the voice control function for the ATV Google certified TV boxes, TV sticks. Is mainly for these devices. But for the Plus version, BPR3S Plus or the BPR2S Plus and BPR1S Plus air mouse remote control both support the AOSP and ATV devices. Number five, all keys infrared learning. All our 7 different air mouse remote control, they all support all the buttons. The all keys, you can do the infrared learning. So this remote control can totally replace your old like the Android TV box remote control. It supports the support for the most Android TV box on the market now. Number 6, infrared isolation. Infrared isolation means you cannot only use one remote control on the certain devices, but also you can use some other keys on the other devices. For example, we have the 4 different air mouse remote control have these functions, like the BPR1S and the BPR1S Plus, also the BPR2S and BPR2S Plus. They have the 4 extra keys already do the IR isolation, which means I already using this remote control connected on some certain devices by the, for example, Bluetooth. And also I can use the 4 extra buttons to control the smart TV. Means one remote control you can not only connect it on the certain devices, but at the same time you can use it on your smart TV. But the 4 devices only, the BPR1S Series remote control doesn't have these functions.